Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Airtable for brand asset tracking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Airtable website. Log in to your Airtable account using your credentials. Once logged in, select the base where you want to track your brand assets. Click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. In the sharing options, find and click on Invite by email. Enter the email addresses of the team members you wish to authorize. Choose the appropriate permission levels for each team member from the drop-down menu. Once finished, click on the Invite button to send the invitations. Now, move to the Airtable Apps section on the right side. Click on the plus Add an App button to access the app marketplace. Search for the brand asset tracking app that you want to use. Click on the app to view its details and then select the Install button. Follow the prompts to connect the app to your existing Airtable base. Next, configure the app settings according to your brand asset tracking needs. Ensure that all necessary fields are linked correctly to your Airtable base. Once you have configured everything, save your changes. To confirm everything is set up correctly, return to your base and check the app integration. If everything looks good, you are now authorized to track your brand assets. Remember to check the app regularly for updates and new features. This completes the authorization process for your Airtable brand asset tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.